Hello everyone and welcome again to How to Bank. Hope you guys are enjoying our videos. If you are visiting our channel for first time, we at How to Bank make banking videos so that your banking experience is easy. Please subscribe to our channel. My name is Deepak and today we are going to see how to update a nominee details for your saving account for Canara Bank. For this, you will need your customer ID and password or the user ID and password for Canara Bank Internet Banking and nominee details. Log into Internet Banking using your username and password. Then on left side, you see option of nomination. Click on that. After that, click on nominee maintenance. Select the account type. So if you have three types of accounts with bank, for each one, either you can have same nominee or you can appoint a different nominee. Select the account number and then click on view nominee. So there is no nominee defined on this account. Click on add. Input the nominee name, date of birth, age, relationship, address. Enter the phone number. If nominee has email ID, please enter that. Note that nominee ID will be generated after confirmation. If the nominee is a minor, click here. After that, click on submit. And read the details and then click on confirm. Enter the OTP received on your mobile and click on submit. Nominee is added successfully. This is the process of adding a nominee to your Canara Bank from net banking. Hope this video helps you for easy banking. Have safe banking. Do not share your ATM PIN or internet user ID and password with anyone. Do not provide any banking information to any phone calls. Remember, bank will never call you to ask the details. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and have a wonderful day.